newcomer Priscila Cachoeira. And certainly something to in her last 3 appearances, so maybe higher instead of the full 5. Connects on the left hand.
Oh, she's stunned.
Oh man! Quick.
God, her strikes
on the chin,
so
mixing
sharp.
it up. Cachoeira wearing it well. And fires a couple of big right hands, but Shevchenko scoring the takedown now.
To the ground, use your ground and pound. Striking is beautiful.
In her professional MMA career, she's been around the block. She was 5 years old, and a big elbow that advertised through the first 90 seconds of this first round, and a huge cut opened up on Priscila Cachoeira.
Against the fence, she has no way to get out here. She's not able to push off. Pretty bad.
Wow, look at that. Continuing to hammer away. Yamasaki leads into check. Posturing up with a big right elbow.
Landing from Valentina Shevchenko. Fighters, period, too. Men, women, doesn't. From this top position, she lands another.
She's got to survive 90 more seconds.
With beautiful work here from
the forehead of Priscila.
The bullet gets just over top. Big elbows. Now she's setting it up here. She's going to soften the body, Then she's going to just lost. Got to do something here. She's just still curled over the elbow like that. Oh.
Huge. Seconds to the first round. And there it is. Unofficially landed for Valentina Shevchenko in that first round. Cachoeira will do a lot more if she wants to try to pull this massive upset that has been all bullet. And a counter strike once again. Trip.
Inside trip
and
again.
Here she goes.
At least Cachoeira getting a little busier trying to get back up to her feet here, but Valentina just
a 22-year-old opponent taking over for Muay Thai fights.
She's got
back to work once again and really controlling Cachoeira, who is having a hard time escaping this one.
Fights don't even have to be that hard. If she's unable to defend herself and cover up, that's not intelligent. So she's just going to start teeing off again. She gets it.
Now look for some more ground and pound. Cachoeira trying to find an angle. But she cannot escape.
She's showing her toughness, but it's just to make her UFC debut.
The level of taking 130 plus.
Even faster now that she's down here at flyweight.
Been giving the glimmer of hope to Priscila the last 5 fights, but discovering 200 strikes is Valentina Shevchenko. And now in full bounce. And look out!
This might get stopped.
Shevchenko staying busy. Well over 200 strikes. Cachoeira.
Oh, she's tough, man.
Battling into the 9th minute of this fight.
Valentina just absolutely teeing off on Cachoeira. But she's still fighting.
And now sinking in the choke. Way out of it.
And
there's the tap. Flyweight division. Say hello to your worst nightmare. Valentina Bullet Shevchenko.